Woke up with the sun in my eye and a headache full of yesterday. My shoes still smell like cheap red wine, and your name won't go away. There's a mirror cracked in the hallway, says the truth but not too kind. I've been running from my own shadow ever since you crossed that line. I don't blame the night, I don't blame the drink, I just blame this heart of mine. It still wants what it shouldn't think. So let the rain talk, let it fall on me. Wash these streets of memory. I tried to love you honestly, but love don't come with guarantees. Yeah, let the rain talk, let it cry out loud. I'm just one more lost soul in the crowd. If freedom's just another doubt, then baby, let the rain talk now. I've been shouting at the radio like it owes me an explanation. Every song sounds like your goodbye, every mile's a new temptation. Your laughter's stuck inside my head like a record scratched too deep. I give my last damn prayer tonight just to get some sleep. I ain't looking for a savior, I ain't asking to be saved. Just want a little peace of mind from the mess that I have made. So let the rain talk, let it fall on me. Wash these streets of memory. I tried to love you honestly, but love don't come with guarantees. Yeah, let the rain talk, let it cry out loud. I'm just one more lost soul in the crowd. If freedom's just another doubt, then baby, let the rain talk now. If I'm going down, I'm going slow, with my hands up, no disguise. I've been wrong, yeah I know, but I still got fire in my eyes. So let the rain talk, let it fall on me. Let it hurt if it has to be. I ain't holy, I ain't clean, I'm just trying to feel something real